Excel is a smart computer program that helps us work with numbers, data, and information in a really organized and fun way. It looks like a grid with little boxes called cells. You can put numbers, words, or anything you want inside these cells. It's like having a special helper for math and keeping things tidy. Excel can do cool things like adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing numbers for us. It can also create colorful charts and graphs to show information in a clear and exciting way. Think of Excel as a magical tool that makes math and data easy and enjoyable.
Alright, class. Today we are going to learn about Excel 2016. It's a fantastic tool for organizing data and doing math. Excel is like a magic calculator on your computer. It helps you work with numbers and data in a really neat and organized way.
How do we open Excel?
First, look for the Excel icon on your computer. Sometimes you might see a welcome screen with options. You can choose a template or start with a blank workbook.
What are the different parts of Excel?
Well, let's see. There's the title bar, ribbon, tabs, worksheet area, column letters, row numbers, cell fill, formula bar, name box, zoom slider, and scroll bars. Excel makes math fun and simple, so who's ready to give Excel a try?
With Excel, you'll become a math wizard in no time. Keep practicing and exploring all the amazing things Excel can do.